Hello friends, today I want to share how to easily convert Excel to PDF. Let's start. Okay, first search here Excel to PDF. Search Excel to PDF, then click convert. I love PDF. Click here, select an Excel file, click here, then choose your file, then convert to PDF. Download PDF, click here, open. So this is your PDF. Download, desktop download, open. This is your PDF. Okay. Now I want to share how to convert PDF to Excel. PDF to Excel converter. Then select PDF file, click convert to Excel, download Excel, click open. Look at this. This is your PDF, and now you can edit it. Because the PDF is now on Excel. Okay. Okay, thank you very much.